Listen, I understand how important it is for you to be able to get products as a reseller. Now, number one, I am somebody that has been in the position where I couldn't get products and I didn't know where to go. And I heard of AliExpress, Alibaba, DHgate, Temu, all these places, and they've only gave me products that were not good quality. I even had a call a couple days ago with a student that was telling me that they actually had a relationship with a wholesaler from, I think it was Alibaba, and the person was sending them reps and they were sending them a bunch of different products. They paid over $2,000 for these products. They got the products did sell, but they ended up getting chargebacks because the products were not quality. Now, it's important for you guys to understand, no matter if you have the products already or if you are about to get the products, anticipate the products, or trying to get as low as costing products as possible, you're going to pay for it in the long run. Now, I don't know what has to happen for you to understand this, and not all of us do this, but a lot of us do, where we try to get products and no matter what, we want to get the product for the lowest costing price. Now, I'm gonna explain to you guys what I mean. So this product right here, okay, this is a wireless charging speaker. This is supposed to sit on your nightstand. You can put your phone right here and charge it. You have a speaker right here. You have a speaker right here. Okay. Now, let me tell you a story about this before we even get into this resellers kit. I was able to get these speakers before they started trending online, and it was a bunch of different types. So there's one where it's a digital clock, there's one where it's another speaker, a different type of speaker, and there's also a bigger version. And I chose this version because one, it sounded better, but this version costs more than the bigger version. It also even costs more than the one with the digital clock because it was an alarm too. So this is only a wireless charging, and it's a speaker, and it's a light up lamp. But there is one where it is an alarm clock on it too, but that one is cheaper than this. So I was asking the distributor, why is this the most expensive one? And he didn't even know the answer, right? But the reason I bring this up is because sometimes you need to ask these discovery questions and understand that you're not always going to be told the right answer. Sometimes people are just going to try to sell you on something. Sometimes you got to realize that it's a business, and the main important part for the distributors is to get the products out, because they make the products. The products are priced by somebody else, most likely another department, and you have to be able to make your best judgment. Now, I'm not saying to always buy the most expensive product. I'm not telling you that, but what I am telling you is pick the product up, feel it, try to break it, act like you are the customer, act like you're the person that will be using it. And if you don't understand why a product is priced the way it is priced, it is 9 times out of 10 because it is worse quality. It is not the quality that you expect. Now, I'm not going to say that this is the case for every product, but most products, what I try to do is I try to look for the product that is AAA quality, OEM quality, especially when I'm buying a product that looks or is meant to act like a regular Apple product. Okay, now we have a bunch of products like that. We have the battery pack, we have the magnetic safe charger, we have the MagSafe cases, we have the clones, we have a bunch of different products, even a Type-C to USB cable cords. We have a bunch of products that we want to make sure have some type of quality, even when it's something that is as small as a charger. And I'm gonna break it down to you guys. Something as small as this, right? You want to look at the packaging, because again, you can find these type of cables in 2 different ways. You'll find some that are just wrapped up. I don't think I have any of them, but you'll find some that are just wrapped up, sort of, kinda. Oh, I think I do have it like this. So, okay, prime example. Great. All right, I can give you guys a true example in a second, right? So, hold on. All right, perfect. So you have some cables, right? Some cables that look like this and cables that look like this. What is the difference? You'll have a USB to Lightning that looks like this and a USB to Lightning that looks like this. This is a cheaper quality cable. The reason it is cheaper quality is, one, cables aren't even meant to be bending like this, okay? They're not even meant to be bending like this. Not even just that. This is not the packaging that customers should expect when they are getting their cable cords. And I know it sounds so minute and not that important, but it is when you are selling to quality buyers. Now, what I mean by quality buyers is buyers that actually have the potential to order in bulk, potential to actually give you a bunch of money. Business owners, people that own businesses that need chargers like this, DSPs. These are Amazon delivery drivers. You got hospitals and a bunch of different business offices that order chargers every single month because their employees keep losing them, or they even go short. You want to get something like this because this has better packaging. It has the paper packaging that Apple has on theirs. You don't want to get anything that looks like this. But this is the difference between a good reseller and a reseller that gives the bare minimum. Too many people do the bare minimum in life. You don't want to do the bare minimum in reselling. Okay, guys? It's really, really important. Make sure you guys are making sure you get quality and not just buying anything. Now, let's get into this resellers kit. Now, the resellers kit is a kit where you can actually get 50, you can get 30, you can get 100. Okay, so you can get 30 pieces, 50 pieces, or 100 pieces of products in a box. Okay, we actually have a few orders that we have to package, and we're going to do it together. Okay, now the $30 product box or resellers kit is going to be $250. The $50 one is going to be $320, and then the $100 one is going to be $599. Now, these products are all trending. You can even get a resellers kit that is going to be catered to the products that you want to sell on certain platforms like eBay, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace. We have product boxes just for these platforms too. Or you can get a regular product box. Now, the regular product box, which is products that are dispersed throughout all of these platforms, is one of our top sellers, and we're going to be actually doing those. But this buyer has requested one thing. And the one thing that's unique is I've been working with this buyer for around 3 to 4 months. And this person does not want any clones. They don't sell any type of Apple clone Maxes or even Gen 2s. So we're not going to put any of those in the box. Instead, we're going to package it with a whole bunch of different accessories. They are looking for impulse buy products, they said. And again, when you do order, you are able to use the chat in our website. So it's wesply.com. That's our website. There's a chat where you can talk to a representative whenever you would like, and you can also leave notes for your order and be like, hey, I just wanted impulse buy products. If you could do that, like, you are able to request with these reseller kits what you want to. All right, now they want impulse buy, and I know exactly why, because they're going to put these near the cash registers in their store. They order 30 products, so we have a job to do with packaging their order, so we're going to get to it. Okay, so when we are going and looking at resellers kits, I think one of the biggest benefits that this does solve for a lot of people, and this is what made me want to create this, is a lot of people, they'll find a product or two that they like, but when you are reselling, it's really hard to stay up with the trends. And if you're not somebody that is on multiple platforms, sometimes you can fall behind. And falling behind is one of the worst things you could do, because if you fall behind, you then essentially are not selling as much as you could, right? Because again, you're not selling the trending products, if you will. Okay, now one of the benefits with this kit is that we use the data that we get from our eBay automation services, where we list, ship, and provide products for a bunch of people all around the world on eBay and also Mercari. We use that information to be able to know exactly what's selling, what's not. Now, when we find this out, we're able to put those products in your box too, so you can actually maximize sales. Now, when it comes to maximizing sales, one thing that I will say about these resellers kits is that they are actually geared towards not just costing $250, right? But also geared towards making you double back. Okay, the average that we're making, or we're seeing customers make that send us testimonials, is anywhere between $450 to $600, okay, per box. Now, these boxes, right, they come with assets, and this is why a lot of people, when they have reservations between selling products or reselling in general, I can't understand it, because we have to think about the bigger picture, right? You have a lot of people out here that are trying to sell digital products. You have a lot of people out here that are trying to sell services, right? And all of these things are great, right? You can sell all of that, and I don't think any of them are wrong, right? None of them are wrong answers. But a lot of people don't even talk about selling assets, things that actually are physical that people need. So hitting that market will actually help you, because a lot of people are skipping out on it and they're not actually hitting the metric, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to put 30 products inside this box. I'm going to walk you guys through some of these products that we're putting in the box, okay? So number one, if you guys don't know, which you guys clearly should know by now, is we love to put chargers in the kit. Okay, there we go. We love putting chargers in because chargers are really great small ticket items to sell and bundle. And of course, this is going to be USB to Type C. Okay, now a lot of the times we either ship USB to Type C or USB-C to Type C. USB-C to Lightning we ship as well. So we have three different types. We have USB-C to USB-C. We have USB-C to Lightning. And then we have USB to Lightning. Wow, say that fast 6 times, right? But we have all of those cables that we usually do ship because those are always consistent buys. These are consistent products that sell. So we're gonna put 20 of these in here. We're not gonna count them as 20 individual. What we'll do instead is we'll only count that as 10, okay? And that's how we do it, because we know that if we send you 20 cables, that is already half of your box if you're getting 30, okay? Now, another thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna throw in a 10-foot cable, a 6-foot cable, okay? Now, the reason again we put in cables is because cables are really good sellers. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in headphones, okay? These are headphones that we're gonna place in the box too. These are Langdong headphones. These sound really great, and these are also good impulsive buys, okay? So we're gonna put those. You can sell those for 10 each, okay? We're also gonna put some S6 headset headphones, okay? Now, again, it's all about packaging with a lot of these products, and you guys know I love packaging. This is a familiar package to a lot of people, and a lot of people love these headphones. So these headphones have a mic, noise cancellation, and then we're gonna put 3 in there, okay? So we're at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay? We're gonna then put a Z10 Pro watch, okay? This is a great tester for them because they can then use this as an impulse buy as well. Impulse buys are going to be products that customers buy off of impulse because they want to see if it is great for them, if it's an alternative to a product they've been looking at. Impulse buys are one of the best ways to be able to attract and market customers, okay? Then you have the solar charger. So this solar charger right here, we're going to put this in here too. I wanted to put 2 in there, but instead of putting 2, I'm going to also include the portable power bank. Okay, this is one of my favorite. We have a few more left. Unfortunately, they're getting harder and harder to get because these are being brought out everywhere. Okay, these are portable chargers that are sold in AT&T, so in Verizon. Okay, so we're going to take that, put that in there. We're also going to do a little bit more with the charging aspect because we want to make sure that we maximize on the charging potential, okay, within this impulse item sector. So we have the 3-in-1 magnetic charging pad, okay, so we will provide that as well. This is a great product. We also, of course, have the USB-C adapter. We're gonna actually put, let's just put 2 in there because I want to put another product in there. We're gonna put 2, okay. Then we're gonna put a dual USB-C and USB adapter in there. And then we also, which I forgot to bring down, we're gonna also put in this impulse buy, which is going to be the the TG264 speaker. Okay, and then we got one more thing that we're gonna put in, and that one thing that we're gonna put in is going to be this, which is a high ticket item right now. This is going to be the RGB cable cord. This is a USB-C to USB-C 60-watt charger. 60 watts is the amount that your MacBook charger uses to power a MacBook. Imagine it charging your phone. This is a fast charger. It also lights up and lets you know when your device is charged. I love these chargers. These are the only chargers I use for my phones. So we're gonna put that in. And then we have our resellers kit. Now, resellers kit is not meant for you to just get these products and just go away. We want you to order more. We want you to test these. We want you to sell these. And whatever is selling great for you, we want you to be able to continue to order, guys. So that is the main point of these resellers kits. Go ahead, go get your resellers kit, guys. And if you want to start selling products in general, definitely keep subscribing to me and make sure you guys stay tuned. Turn your post notifications on. Also, follow me on Instagram at educated__hustler for my personal, and also Hustler Taught Me for my business. And guys, we will continue to make money work for us and not work for the money. And I can't wait for order 1036 to get this order and see what you guys think about it. And this is how you guys can get this. You can also, if you want to get the resellers kit, go to wesply.com and go ahead and hit resellers kits and order yours today. Thank you guys so much for watching. All links and to free stuff are down below. Okay, so be safe. I'll see you guys at the top because it's way too crowded at the bottom. Peace.